So hi there everybody. On today's video I have this VW Golf Plus 2007. I have an issue with the blower here. The blower is not blowing any air on the settings between 1 and 3, but it's working in number 4. So typically in other cars this is an issue with the HVAC resistor or the resistor, blower resistor. So I'm gonna access that, take it out and change it, and hopefully that's going to solve this issue. So this in this car, that resistor, it's somewhere down here. Just gonna have a look at that. This is the passenger side, and down here we need to access, we need to take this panel out. Sí, Joaquín. Estaba haciendo un video. Está. So once we remove that panel, you will see this connection here. If you take that out, that's where the resistor is, and we just need to disconnect that resistor. And I'm going to replace that, and hopefully that's going to solve that issue. Okay, so I've got my new resistor here. This is the new one. It's got the part number there. It's a VW part. I just wonder if this one was a genuine one, because it doesn't have any markings, and usually they do. And you can see it's corroded a little bit. Maybe that's why it's not working, or it's corroded inside and it's broken. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll fit the new one in, and then we're going to test the fan. So we have our wire just here. That can only fit one way, and we'll just push it in there, and then just get it back into that hole. So that just goes in and then slides and locks into place. And then we can put that cover. So just first gonna test the blower. And I can already hear it working. So that is fixed our blower issue. So this particular part from VW, it wasn't exactly the cheapest. It was about £45. You can get these non-genuine ones for a lot cheaper, something like £15 or so. If you were a little bit unsure, you have a problem with this, you could get one of the cheaper ones and then try that. Because if you have a different problem, then you wouldn't have to have spent £45. But there is, normally these work okay, even if it's genuine or not genuine. But we're selling this car, and obviously if we have if the blower stops working a week or two after we sold it, then that wouldn't be very good for us, and then we get complaints, which we don't want. We want to avoid any complaints. So if we use the genuine part, at least we can have some confidence that we tried our best. So anyway, I hope this video helps you sort out your blower issue if you have one, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.